Sometimes a simple job ad can tell you so much more than just who a company wants to hire. Today, we're looking at one that's a perfect example of that. It's not just a call for applicants, it's practically a blueprint of a company's entire strategy. It reveals their vision, their target audience, and the very specific skills they need to win. So let's break it down.
And it all kicks off with this one line: a female-only walk-in drive for freshers. Now, this isn't just about filling a few open positions. This is a statement. Why target only women? Why focus on freshers, people who are just starting their careers? This single phrase tells us the company isn't just hiring, they're strategically engineering a very specific type of workforce, right from the ground up.
So what's really going on here? To understand the why, the real motivation behind this very deliberate choice, we first need to understand the who. Let's start with the company that's making this pretty unusual offer.
All right, so the company behind all this is called Aequs, and what they do is the absolute key to unlocking why they're hiring this way. So what is it they do that requires this kind of special approach to finding talent?
Okay, at first glance, this is going to seem a little weird. Aequs operates in two totally different worlds: aerospace and toys. Yep, you heard that right. One side builds critical parts for jets, the other makes high-end toys for kids. But here's the thing that ties it all together: insane microscopic precision. The same intense attention to detail and zero-fail quality control needed for an airplane part is what they apply to sophisticated toy manufacturing.
And check this out. All of this is happening in one specific spot: Belagavi, India. So we're not talking about a corporate office job in a big city. Nope. This is a hands-on engineering role in a city known for its deep roots in heavy engineering and the aerospace industry. This detail really grounds the whole operation in the world of making real, physical things.
So we have a super precise company in a key manufacturing location. Now let's zoom in on the initiative itself, because this is way more than just a job ad, right? It's a focused strategy, a plan to build a very specific talent pipeline to feed that precision-driven machine.
And get this, they're targeting two distinct groups. On one hand, they want freshers, brand new graduates they can mold and train from scratch. You know, the Aequs way. On the other hand, they're looking for people with at least a year of experience, folks who already know the ropes. It's a really smart two-pronged approach to build for both the short term and the long term.
So what kind of work is actually on the table? Looking at the specific open roles gives us the clearest picture of just how massive and complex their manufacturing operation really is. It's definitely not just one or two departments.
I mean, just look at the range here. You have the stuff you'd expect, right? Quality, manufacturing, engineering. But then you see departments like forging and surface treatment. That means they're literally shaping raw metal under intense pressure and then applying specialized coatings to finish it. This list shows the whole shebang, from business development all the way to packaging the final product. With such a wide array of roles, from the boardroom to the factory floor, the next obvious question is, who are they looking for? What does the ideal candidate's profile actually look like? Let's get into the specific qualifications they've laid out.
Aequs has laid out two really clear educational paths. They're open to candidates with a full Bachelor of Engineering or Technology degree, but also those with a technical diploma. By including both, they're casting a wider net to capture talent that has both the deep theoretical knowledge and the practical hands-on training. And they aren't just looking for any engineer. No way. The focus is laser sharp: mechanical, aeronautical, or automobile engineering. And that makes perfect sense, right? These are the disciplines that deal with motion, machines, and materials. The skills that directly feed into the high-precision world of building things that fly and intricate toys that move. And for anyone watching who actually fits this specific profile, well, the ad provides a direct line of contact. This is the number listed to send your details and learn more, closing the loop from the strategic announcement right to a potential application.
So when you put all the pieces together, a female-only drive targeting specific engineering graduates for a specialized manufacturing hub, you see this is so much more than just recruitment, it's workforce architecture. Which leaves us with a big question. As industries become more and more specialized, is this kind of hyper-targeted, demographic-focused hiring the future of building a competitive team? It's a powerful strategy to think about.